Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off hiding profanity in our live caption function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to change it? First we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility menu, next hearing enhancements, and on the top we have live caption. Right now this function is turned on, by default it's off, so if we want we can turn it on from here, and here it is. Our hide profanity now is turned on. So what this function will do, it will replace our any profanity with an asterisk symbol. So to turn it off, we simply uncheck this box, and now it's done. No more censoring profanities. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.